everybody and welcome back to Study with Julia. Today I'll be showing you guys a bit of an updated room tour. It's probably going to be, as much as I managed to do before university season starts. So I guess let's dive in and see what my room looks like now. What's changed? Just take a look. So as you guys might remember, this is my favourite part of my room, this set of shelves here. I'll show you some new additions. So I had the Louis Tomlinson signature. Now I managed to get the Liam Payne signature as well. Some more books. Can't remember if this was here last time, but 2 Polish runner signatures. Pretty cool if I do say so myself. And then this, I wouldn't call it a shrine, but some might. This is kind of the Zayn Malik corner. Got his signed vinyl. Then these are all from his concerts and the meet and greet, as is that right there. And have a Tate McRae signed CD here. All of my vinyls. Expanded not only on the book front, also on the vinyl front, as you can see. Got a good number now. That's really all I managed to add here in this area. Now here is this set of shelving and my vinyl record player. Once more, just a number of books added. I didn't have this cute little owl before, but I got it from my brother, and it's just on my speaker, as is this little mirror. It's a bit dirty, but I'll show you guys. It's pretty cool. So that's why I like that. And then I made this sign for Charlie on a Friday concert. And I got it signed by him, which I think is pretty cool. This is very much a fangirl room, if I am to be honest. But I'm not mad about the fact that it's a fangirl room. My desk is a bit messy, but it is because I've just decided to take a break from my study sessions to film this. This is pretty much the same, I think. I can't remember what it was like actually last time I updated you guys. This is pretty much the same though, maybe a couple more cars on there. And then these are just all the rewards that I have to catch up on. Because after every day of revision, I'm like, let's add a reward. And I just haven't been doing those rewards, which defeats the point. Refreshing. Another new addition, fake flowers, but they low-key look really, away from the light, they look really real. Is that just me? And it just brightens the whole room up, like a lot. And then more fangirl style posters. I like it. This is the helmet, and featuring my pens, but the helmets of all F1 winners up until 2021. Because I got this before the 2022 season started. Same with this poster. And then here is my wall of just pictures, because I'm a sucker for free prints now that I've seen that it works. So up there is me, me with famous people, views, me and people I love, cars, and Tate McRae. And then that's just the horizontal pictures, but they're all still kind of in the order. I think it's pretty cool. I quite like it. I do need to order some more, because I think I got these circa September, October. So it's been 2-3 months, and to be fair, I'm not someone who takes a lot of pictures, but I think it just makes my room a whole lot more personal. A whole lot more, individual and made for me. Also, I had to take down my calendar, which used to be somewhere there-ish, because I don't have a new one. But I've gotten a very good planner, year planner. So I don't think I'll need a calendar. This is my planner, it's from my brother's company, so as far as I'm aware you cannot get this anywhere. And it's pretty good. I like that it's got a lot of space for each day, but not too much, because my old one had a bit too much, so I felt a bit bad wasting paper and then this is just for the whole year. So I can have everything kind of planned and put in here. That's not really room tour vibes. Trying to see if there's anything else that has changed. I think I showed you guys the main changes. I think the main things I wanted to show were, you know, this shelving unit, I think it's called. Should I show you guys how I categorize my books? In case you haven't watched my other video, which I think I delve into it. What? Non-fiction, hardcovers, and then signed art cards, paperbacks, and like religious literature, and then signed photos, and then this isn't books, but it's vinyls, and any signed pieces, physical copies of music, and then just CDs. That's basically the room tour. It's not an overly massive room, so there's not too much to show. But yeah, I'm pretty happy about it. Very individual to me, and that's why I like it, you know? I feel like I finally have a room where I'm able to like express myself through the actual decor and everything. So yeah, I love this room very much. I hope you guys love it too. Please remember to like, comment, maybe tips and things I could add to my room to jazz it up even more. And if you could subscribe, I'd be very, very grateful. And see you guys very, very soon. Bye-bye.